Did you know that it's possible in Power BI to set a landing page? Since the May 2026 update, we can actually choose a landing page, which means if you publish a Power BI report, even if you have it opened at a different page, it shows the landing page first. So my description of this already tells you what happened in the past. When you published a Power BI report and you published it from a certain page that you were on, that page was the page that the user was also seeing as landing page. So for example, if you worked on a report and by accident you were on the third page and you published it, that was the landing page for the user. With the May 2026 update, we can actually choose a landing page, any of the pages. You see this report I have with a lot of pages, and you see this duplicate of duplicate, duplicate of duplicate of duplicate of duplicate. I mean, there are a lot of duplicates. Let's say I want this as my landing page. I can just right click on the page. You can see that at the bottom. And I can say set as landing page. Now you see this little house icon here. So now we actually have this set as a landing page. What happens if we publish this and we are on a different page? I can go to the lollipop visual here and publish it. If I look at my Power BI report online, it was actually, even though I published while being on the lollipop visual page, it was the landing page now. So this is the page that someone sees when the report is opened. So this is amazing because we can basically pick any page that we want and set it as a landing page. You can see the little house symbol next to it. So you can just open your report, make sure that the overview, dashboard, or whatever is your landing page is marked as landing page. So I really love this. Was really needed. It happened to me way too often that I published from the wrong page just because I forgot. And this is going to save a lot of Power BI consultants. Have you tried this new feature? I'm very curious what your experience are and if I'm the only one that published from the wrong page.